Dobry den. I'm Craig Casebeer, the American Barber, and I'm here with my friends from Angry Beards to tell you about our new shampoo. It's a mild shampoo which is needed for beard hair, which is generally dry and coarse. Often I have clients ask me how often they should shampoo their beard. If you're working out every day, working up a sweat, then you're going to want to shampoo your beard every day. If not, for most of us, every 2 or 3 days is good. And between shampoos, you can take a little bit of this, work it into a wet washcloth, wipe around your mustache and face to get rid of any beer or any food that might be in it and keep it clean. But generally, every 2 or 3 days. Also, every 2 or 3 days, the balms, the waxes, the oils can start to have a bit of a buildup in your beard. So you want to use the shampoo to strip that out as well. So now I'm going to show you the best way to use this. Do you really need instruction on how to shampoo your beard? It's pretty straightforward. Join us on our next video. A rozzo.